name is JITH N. I'm living in Canada, Thrissur district, Taluk, village. I'm studying 4th standard at Holy Grace Academy in Mada. My father is Sejit, my mother is Lakshmi. I have a younger sister, her name is Sejit. My favorite hobby is to solve Rubik's Cube. I can solve 10 different types of Rubik's Cube. My favorite one is PYRAMINX. Recently, I achieved a International Book of Records in solving maximum PYRAMINX Rubik's Cube in 15 minutes. Thank you, International Book of Records, for giving me a chance to express my talent. Once again, thank you.
Simple Quatra. I'm Mrs. India 2014. By profession, I'm architect and interior designer. I'm keen in swimming, dancing. School authorities used to tell me like your skirt should be this much long, and I never used to like it, and I always used to fold it this much. Very simple, introvert and less confident girl suddenly turned into a very confident tomboyish girl. This prestigious sash which I'm wearing today and the crown which I'm wearing today is the second one. I was always keen to help people in whatever way I could. I'm very thankful to International Book of Records for acknowledging my efforts, my hard work, my achievements, and bestowing me with this great award of Apt Women Award. And it's a very good platform for all the women who want to show to the world what they are. Be the trailblazers, frame your own rules, keep inspiring and empowering women.
Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646 803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.